where Telangana peoples and Indian peoples A team.
मैडम अप्रूवल टर्न हुआ है ये दिल्ली लिकर स्कैम है, आपको समन आया है, तो इस पूरे प्रकरण को क्योंकि 3 लोग अप्रूवल टर्न हुए हैं तो कितनी मुश्किलें बढ़ सकती है आपकी?
Brother, as I said, it looks like a TV serial, never-ending TV serial. So I have no idea what is happening with that. But end of the day, party legal team will advise us, and we will go through their advice. So it is not a big issue or a serious issue to be discussed. It is a politically motivated summon. We will take a legal recourse on that.
Ma'am, how do you see the timing of this issue?
Recently, when recent summons were issued, you have went to the Delhi, you appeared for the questioning, and even after coming out, you stated that they made to sit me there, and you have made several comments attacking BJP. And now again, it's poll-bound state. It's polls are nearer. So how do you see this? Basically, will you be attending it? And on one side, BJP is attacking, one side Congress is attacking. They are claiming that a meeting of Congress saying that a meeting of BJP. So how do you see? Why are you claiming that it's politically motivated?
Ma'am, how do you see the timing of this summons? It's just coming at a time when the election campaign is at a crucial stage. Do you think this will affect BRS party if there is further development from the notice? Maybe it goes on.
Well, as I said, it is clearly politically motivated. From the beginning, I have been saying the same thing. And it has been the modus operandi of Bharatiya Janata Party in any poll-bound state. So now Telangana is going to polls. The modus operandi has taken, again, kickback in. So that is what we believe in. And we will certainly seek a legal recourse. We are a political party. We have a legal team. So we don't have to worry about it. But people will see through this kind of operation by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and people will certainly teach them a lesson. That is what I think. Thank you so much. Jai Telangana. చెప్తే కదా ఇప్పటిదాకా ఇంగ్లీష్లో తెలుగులో లాయర్లు ఎట్లా చెప్తారు లేదు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.